This machine exceeded all expectations. Coffee and espresso tastes great and our office employees could not be happier. I highly recommend this product. I am so happy with this super coffee machine. It's the best I ever had. This is my second, because I have another one back in my home country, so I had to buy another one here, because it makes the most delicious coffee ever. Since I bought it, I don't even need my latte from Starbucks, because the one that I am making with this machine it's way much better. It has a water filter, you can set the grinder for a stronger taste and many other options. If you have never owned a Saeco Automatic Espresso Machine, I recommend reading the manual 3 times all the way through and watching some YouTube videos about its features before using it. Aside from the machine manual, there is a brush to clean the dry coffee grind from the brew unit, grinder, screens, a built-in water filter that is affixed inside the water holder, a strip to test the hardness of your water, a scoop for ground coffee, and on the opposite end of the scoop, a tool left. The Saeco's operation is not intuitive and it needs weekly, if not daily, cleaning. Do not use oily looking beans, shiny and black. Use only espresso blend or single origin matte finished beans. There is a master on/off switch on the back and an on/off button on the front. Despite the learning curve, this machine can make espresso and coffee making an adventure. This device will grind the coffee beans and produce a cup of espresso, small, or espresso lungo, which makes a larger size cup of coffee that is weaker than espresso. You can program these buttons to produce the size of cup you want by pressing and holding the espresso/espresso lungo button until you see the word memo appear on the digital screen, and release the button and let the Saeco fill up the cup until the size you want is obtained. When filled to a desired level, you then press the aroma strength button, where a check mark is located. The aroma strength button is also an OK/check mark button. This effectively programs the size of either your cup of espresso or your size of espresso lungo, coffee, forever until you change it. There is also a brew temperature option controlled by the menu button, so you decide if you want the coffee to be hottest to less hot. The Saeco also offers a bypass doser that lets you bypass the coffee bean hopper and place 1 scoop of ground coffee in the top entry place indicated by a plastic. I understand that timing the water passing through the ground beans is an important element in espresso, so the grind may need to be adjusted if the espresso is too watery or the beans are too old. There is supposed to be a thick layer of tan crema on top of the espresso. If you place a dollop of granulated sugar on top of the crema, it should sink slowly. It's the sugar test. You may notice that my cup in my photo does not have this thick layer. The cause of this is either the grind is not fine enough or the beans are too old. I just bought these beans, but they were ground shiny beans, not the required matte finished beans. Click link in description for more reviews and best price.